कृष्ण चरित नासक सब सूला, सदन सकल सुख मंगल मूला।
Hello friends, Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Here is an introduction to the holy book Shri Krishna Charit Sudha. The Shri Krishna Charit Sudha is an Avadhi epic based on the life of Lord Shri Krishna, which is written in Doha Chaupai style like Ramcharitmanas composed by Tulsidas ji. In this poetic text, the poet has described the entire life of the Lord on the basis of many sacred Sanatan texts including Srimad Bhagavat, Vishnu Puran, Harivansh and Mahabharata, while maintaining his original ideology and in accordance with the practices of the present era of modern India. The text has been organized in a total of 8 chapters, which are as follows. The first chapter is Vraj Parva, in which after Mangalacharan there is Vandana Prakaran and after that there are the dialogues of Ugrasrava, Shaunak, Shri Shukdevji, Parikshit and Shri Vyas, Vashampayana, Janmeja, a brief introduction to the Yaduvansh, description of King Kansa's atrocities, the story of Lord Krishna's birth and his childhood antics, killing of evil demons like Putna, Trinavarta, Pralamba, Dhenuka, Keshi, holding Govardhan, Venu Geet. Ras Rahasya, Shri Radhika's antics. Kansa killing, Shri Krishna and Balram's education and initiation in Sandipani Ashram and Udhav Gopi dialogue etc. The second chapter is Prayanak Parva, which describes the events of Shri Krishna and Balram's departure to Dwarka along with the people of Mathura, after defeating Magad king Jarasandha and king Kalyavana. In the third chapter, Dwarika Parva, stories like the marriage of Shri Krishna and Balram, Samantaka Mani, sage Narad visiting Dwarka and observing the daily routine of Shri Krishna, killing of Mur and Narkasura, abduction of Parijat, Draupadi's Swayamvar, Khandavdah, abduction of Subhadra etc. are described. The fourth chapter Sabha Parva begins with the yajna performed by Vasudevji in Kurukshetra. It includes the events of the meeting of the people of Vraj, the Bharatvanshis and the Yaduvanshis of Dwarika in Kurukshetra, the meeting of the kings and sages present there, the teachings of the sages and Lord Krishna, the killing of Zarasandha, the Rajsuya Yajna of Yudhishthira, the disrobing of Draupadi and the exile of the Pandavas, the killing of Shalva, the defeat of Banasura and the meeting of Krishna with the Pandavas in Kamekwana. The fifth chapter of Udyog Parva includes stories like the end of the Pandavs' exile, gathering of Pandavs' friend kings at Abhimanyu's wedding, Lord Krishna's consultation with the kings present on getting the Pandavs' kingdom back, the Pandavs' treaty proposal, Arjuna and Duryodhan going to Dwarka to seek Lord Krishna's help, both sides gathering their armies for the war, Lord Krishna going to Hastinapur as a peace envoy and the departure of the Kauravas and Pandav armies towards Kurukshetra when the peace talks fail, etc. In the sixth chapter Prabodh Parva, the story of Lord Shri Krishna giving the liberating sermon of Srimad Bhagavad Gita to the depressed Arjun is described. It describes the entire 18 chapters of Shri Gita. The seventh chapter of Jaiparva narrates the entire story of the Mahabharata war, which includes the battle and killing of Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Chakravyuha, killing of Abhimanyu, killing of Jayadratha, killing of Dhritarashtra's sons including Dushasan by Bhima, killing of Panchalas and Draupadi's sons at night by Ashwathama, make fight between Duryodhan and Bhima and killing of Duryodhan, and the lamentation of the women etc. In the 8th chapter Shanti Parva, the stories of Yudhishthira's coronation, Bhishma Pitamaha's teachings and his death, the story of God reviving the dead child Parikshit, Yudhishthira's Ashwamedha Yagna, Aniruddha's marriage, Sudama Charit and Lord Krishna preaching Bhagavad Dharma to Uddhavji are described. The complete epic Shri Krishna Charit Sudha is available with the Hindi interpretation, which can be obtained by paying the prescribed contribution amount to the publisher's address. Address for receipt of the book. Rajendra Prasad Nisesh Karmayogi Sahityalaya 48 Gindan Khera, Amausi, Lucknow 226008. Mobile number WhatsApp 7054158526 8840346071. Email nisheshrajendra@gmail.com. Jai Shri Krishna.